take a moment to unwind and de-stress. We will work our way up from the toes to the head, squeezing and then relaxing each part of the body. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and let it out. Curl your toes tightly for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Feel the relaxation. Flex your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release, letting all the tension flow away. Tighten your calf muscles. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Squeeze your thighs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let go. Pull your stomach in towards your spine and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax and breathe deeply. Make fists with your hands. Squeeze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your hands. Let them be soft. Flex your biceps and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let them go. Feel the heaviness in your arms. Take a deep breath in, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let it go. Feel your chest open. Shrug your shoulders up to your ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let them fall back down relaxed. Clench your jaw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let it hang loose. Squeeze your forehead, raise your eyebrows and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now smooth it out. Relax. Let peace wash over you. As you finish, take a moment to notice how your body feels now. More relaxed, more at ease. Breathe slowly, enjoying this calm. When you're ready, open your eyes, bringing this sense of relaxation with you into the rest of your day.